Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. Today we are going to learn about how to copy your own Trello board or someone else's Trello board. The process is quite simple, and this is both the ways for own space or someone else's space. So we will just find one of our boards from here and just tap on the board. After coming to the board, you will need to find menu bar option here. So the menu bar option is this three dots option. Just tap on that and you will find your menu. And after that, just go to copy board and just give a title from here, whatever you want to call it. I'm just taking this as example board. And then you can keep all these cards or you can keep the template card also and then just hit create. And as you can see, I have successfully copied my Trello board here. And this process also goes for someone else's Trello. If you want to copy someone else's Trello, you will just have to go to this menu option here, then just copy the board. You can also change your background in the copied board. Like you can put photos or you can change your colors like this. Just tap on the photo you like, then go to colors and just cross this out from here, and you can see I have changed my background and the color. So that's it for today. This is how you can easily copy your Trello board. See you in the next tutorial.